Actually, no, it's not that difficult to follow the footstep ni President Duterte. Kung ang iyong kasi hindi naman na yun nagawa ni Digong So ibig sabihin susundan mo na lang yun. It's not hard to follow that footstep and it's not hard to push through with the foreign policy ni Digong nung panahon niyan bilang presidente. If ang ultimate aim mo, alam mo, it boils down to the purpose and the objective. Okay? Ang ultimate purpose kasi, ang objective ni President Duterte, nung presidente siya, is to ensure that the Philippines is safe. Sa akin kasi ganito, walang bansa na ibang bansa, no? Especially yung mayayaman na bansa with a lot of possibility na mag-invest sa Pilipinas in terms of businesses and in terms of industries, na mag-i-invest sa isang bansa na may potential na magkaroon ng military conflict